Okay, so for Christmas, I got a set of air horns, which I've fitted into me 2010 Sprint ST. The horns, I've decided I got myself or designed and built a stainless steel bracket out of 3mm thick stainless steel plate. Had that drawn, I drew that up and then got a an engineering company to produce it for me. The air horn's mounted in here in the void under the tank. All the pipes and everything connect on, but I did have to put a piece of cloth over the fuel hose because it just touches the bracket, so I didn't want that to wear through. So I'll have to keep an eye on that and check that every few weeks, make sure there's no wear on that. But the air horns fit in there perfectly. That should be a fairly dry compartment. It does get wet in there in torrential rain, but it's not direct moisture. It's more just splashes and stuff that get in there. So that's a fairly dry area. The original horns were under the front. I've unhooked them, so they're not there anymore. They'll be kept safe. They're just dangling right now, so we'll just have a listen to what they sounded like, the original horns. Okay, that's the original horns. I'll pause the video here and I'll come back when I've hooked up to the big horns. We'll see what they sound like. Okay, so carrying on where we left off a couple of minutes ago. I've just plugged it in. I'll tidy those wires up in a minute. But that's just there to make sure everything works. Okay, we turn the key on. And from the front. Very good. Oh, that should get them looking at me when I honk the horn now.